Experience the unparalleled luxury of Lexus ownership with Lexus Care, presented by Bell Lexus North Scottsdale. Our comprehensive suite of standard benefits is designed to enhance your journey. Every new and L-certified Lexus comes with Lexus Care, offering complimentary maintenance services to keep your vehicle performing at its best, 24/7 roadside assistance, ensuring peace of mind wherever the road takes you, personalized service from our dedicated team, committed to anticipating and exceeding your needs, access to exclusive events and experiences, connecting you with a community of passionate Lexus owners, and staying up to date on the latest lifestyle benefits and offerings with Lexus Concierge. We place you at the heart of everything we do, striving to make your ownership experience seamless, convenient, and truly luxurious. Discover the benefits that come standard with every Lexus here at Bell Lexus North Scottsdale.